We're going to show you how to use the pivot chart, right, to draw the graph. We select the table that you already have the data ready and use the pivot chart, which also in pivot table. It's going to pick the range of data that I highlighted earlier. I want it into a new worksheet, which we're going to rename it to like report, right? After we have it done. Alright, so when I click OK, now you need to start to add. So when you pick this, it's pretty much just create the table at the same time, right? To compare, right? This is pretty much a summary. They just do all the sum of overall data for you. And then you can pick the type of phones that you want to compare. Right, so for example, if I pick more phone, it's going to start to add them in. If I have one, it's two. So let's talk with two. So start with two, then we can also click on the chart, go to design, to pick any template or the design that you like to have. Like if you want to have the numbers on it, if you want the background to be black, right, or white. So these are the templates that you can use. So I'll stay with this for now. So you have the table data, right, and you have this is just the total, the categories here. Now, of course, you can always add more, right? I just want to, let's do just comparing to, so blue is going to be your Galaxy phone and red is going to be your HTC, right? We're going to add the categories now. So we go back to insert again and do the slicer. And I can just add the category in. That's just like group, right? That I want to look at the battery capacity. The table is going to update to that data, right? As well as when you do, let me move it a little bit up. We may not need this too. Shift it up. So I will ask you do the prices. It's going to compare the prices of two phones, right? Now we may need to look at standby time, and we may need to work on how to change the title here too. Seems like it's not changing. I'm going to remove it first. Right, video playback, web browsing. So the data is updated. So the data is pulling from where? This data sheet, right? If you look at web browsing again, 10 and 9.5, right? So it's pretty much just pulling from there. So this is a sheet where you're going to rename it to your report, right? Reports. So now, since I have two of them, I cannot have the same name. So it's pretty much, this is a goal that we want to have, right? Same thing that we try to do here.